All right, you guys, welcome to Theory Week 2, Times and Bar lines. We've already talked about time signatures a little bit, but just to recap, your top number in a time signature. So right now we're going to look at 4/4 time. So it looks like a fraction just without the line, so it's not 4/4, it's not a whole, okay? It's 4/4 time. Your top number is going to tell you how many beats in a measure. Per measure, okay? And your bottom number is going to tell you what kind of note gets the beat. So in 4/4 time, you've got 4 beats per measure, and the 4 on the bottom indicates that the quarter note is what gets the beat. So in a 4/4 measure, you can have 4 quarter notes, and then this is where your bar line comes in. The bar line resets, and then after that you have a new measure. So it resets the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, bar line, 1, 2, 3, 4, bar line, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So in 4/4 time, the note that would fill up the entire bar, the entire measure, would be a whole note. Why? Because a whole note gets 4 beats, okay? 4 beats in a measure, quarter note gets the beat. To be successful in the rest of your assignment that you have for this week is to know what other bottom numbers there are, okay? So if you have a 1 on the bottom, say your time signature is 2/1, 2 beats in the measure, your whole note. In the 1, your whole note is what gets the beat, okay? I know that the bottom note's not different, but what if we have 2/4? You got 2 beats in the measure, quarter note still gets the beat. 2/2, 2 beats in the measure, half note gets the beat. 6/8, 6 notes or 6 beats in a measure, your 8th note gets the beat. Again, not super different, but 3/4, 3 beats in a measure, 4 is the quarter note gets the beat, okay? So when you're working on your homework, you have 3 different forms that you need to be working on, three different worksheets: lesson 16, lesson 17, and lesson 18. In lesson 16, all it does is kind of reiterates what I just told you. So there's no actual things you have to fill out on lesson 16, but it's a really great resource and a really great guide. 17 and 18, your job is to add your bar lines into those using the appropriate time signatures, as well as doing the counts. So for example, underneath the quarter notes, you would count 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing with the whole note though, because it gets 4 counts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you had 2 half notes in a row, let's see what that would look like. If you had 2 half notes in a row like that, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right, remember, you can either go print out all of those things and fill them out by hand, or use the draw feature on Microsoft Word. There's also a draw feature on Adobe, the PDF files. So you can use that, and then make sure that you save them and upload them properly into OneNote. Create a new folder inside your assignments folder. So inside your assignments folder, add a new page and title that page Times and Bar Lines. See you next week.